I just wanted to show you how easy it is to change out your background and also to give you some tips on where you can find good background images because you just don't want any old image. So first thing you want to do when you're in Zoom is hover over the bottom bar and then go to your little video arrow there and click on it, and we'll go to video settings. And then this brings up your little preview panel, and it's a good idea to do this just to check, what's in your background. Even if you're not doing a virtual background, just look around and see how you look, see how your lighting looks. There's other courses on lighting out there, but for this, I just want to show you how to change your background. I come on over to virtual background, and from here I can select an image that they have, which you probably don't want to use, and I'll show you how to upload. But first, it's going to ask me, do I have a green screen? Obviously I don't. Who does? And when I go to click on an image, it's going to say, wait a minute, you do not have what we need to work without a green screen. So I'm going to download this, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm back. I downloaded the little thing that they told me to download, and here I am, and this is what the virtual background looks like. And I know you've all seen it, other people doing it. But there are some weird things that happen with a virtual background. Your hands can look really kind of weird. If you're moving around a lot, it can look kind of weird. So just be aware of what's happening. Try and stay fairly still, and don't wave your hands around. Blacks start to disappear. As you can see, that mic is now gone. It's fascinating. So let's go get a background. I'm going to go over to one of my favorite sites that has free images, specifically for Zoom itself. So one second. Okay, so here I am at Unsplash. This is just a free site for photos, but they specifically curate images for Zoom backgrounds. There's tons of them out there. You can just look around or Google Zoom backgrounds and you'll find others, but this one's quick and easy to get to. So here I'm at Unsplash, and let's say that I want to have let's say a living room. So be aware that you're picking a background that's congruent with what you're doing. If it's a business setting, maybe you don't want a living room, you want a boardroom, for example, or just an office. And think about having a little bit of depth to your image. You kind of draw the eye back and away from you. So let me pick this living room setting here, and then I simply download the file, and it's going to go to my downloads folder, and I will pop back over into Zoom and show you how to upload the new image that we just downloaded. Okay, I'm back out outer space, and we've got to change this background fast. So what I do is I come back over to the little up arrow next to the video, and I want to go into choose virtual background. And now I can choose from the ones I have, which none of them I want right now, or I can upload. And so I click on this little plus sign, and it will let me upload an image, add an image, or add a video. That's the image that we downloaded. I'm going to open it, and then there I am. Let me go ahead and close out of this so you can see I am in my virtual living room, which this isn't so bad. It has some depth to it. I could go with this on a family Zoom call or something like that. So that's how easy it is. If I want to change out to other backgrounds, just play around with it. Maybe even try a video, like of a fireplace or something going in the background. Let's change out to that one, check it out, and just work with it and see how it works out for you. So super easy to do. I hope you found that useful.